Hello beautiful people, this is Nessie again in Jamaican Cuisine by Nessie. Today we're going to make stewed pork hock. Pork hock. I have my pork here, it's already cleaned, and last night I did kind of put a little bit of seasoning on it. I put my adobo, I put my onion powder, I put my garlic salt and a pinch of black pepper last night, and then I just put it in the fridge. So today I'm going to put this in the pot. Now the pot, inside the pot right now, I have my garlic and my ginger. So, and I put a pinch of butter in it. So all that is kind of browning and ready for the pork hock. So this is about, I think is 4 pounds of pork hock. Put those in. And then I put a half a cup of water in, and I turn it up to high. Once it starts to boil, then I turn this down to low. Now this pork hock should be cooked in about 2 hours or less, but you just have to keep looking at it and stirring it and stick it with a fork, but at least minimum of 2 hours. Okay, let's go over here, put this in the sink. I'm going to wash my hands. And we're going to leave that cooking for a little while. We'll come back and check on it, okay? Now that it's boiling, what we're going to do, we're going to turn it down to medium. And every 15-20 minutes, we're going to come back and check on it. Make sure it's not sticking and it has adequate juice in it, okay? So we'll come back and check on that. And also, we're making some rice to go with it. You can eat this with whatever you want. Rice, mashed potato, macaroni, whatever. But tonight we're making some rice to go with this. This is browning. It's grace browning. It's like a food color. So we put a drop in it, not too much, just a drop, about a half a teaspoon, and then you cover it. It's on low, and you leave it to cook, and every 15-20 minutes you just come and stir it so it doesn't stick or burn for now, okay? So we're good for now. Okay, we checking on the pork. It's a little bit tender, but it's not cooked. So right now we're going to put my carrots and my celery in. Carrots, celery, this is my thyme from home, grown right outside, and we have, that's green pepper, and this is tomato and scallion. Tomato is optional. If you don't have to put tomato in it, but that's optional. So put all those in, stir it around a little bit, and if the juice is getting low, you can add a little bit of warm water in here. And this should not take more than 2 hours to cook, because I like my food slow cook and I like it real tender. So this should take another hour or so. I have not put any salt in it as yet. Later on, I'll sprinkle a little bit of my adobo seasoning in there. So it's coming on really nice and brown. So let's close it and leave it for another half an hour. Then I'll come back and stir it up put a little adobo in, and we'll see. Alright, we are going to check on the pork now, and I think it's ready. Let's go over here and take our tongue over here and look. Wow, it is ready. Okay, so we're going to dish you a plate. Okay, I did not have to put any more seasoning in it because I had seasoned it from last night. So all I'm doing now, I'm just dishing a plate. That's should be good. Another piece in it. Look lovely. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some rice in here. Rice is ready. There we go. This is plain rice. Now you can do rice and beans, macaroni and cheese, or potato. Whichever you like. It doesn't really matter. It's just to your likeness. Okay? And now we are going to put some beans with it. Beans, you can use whatever vegetable you like. Here I have some string beans. Just cook in plain water, no salt nor butter added. Okay, and now I'm going to get you some gravy on this rice. Some people like a lot of gravy. I love to cook with a lot of gravy. Put some on the rice here. See the carrots? I put carrots in just about everything that I cook. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. There you go. That is stewed pork hock with rice and vegetable. Enjoy.